By the end of this video, you'll understand why the same smart tax moves work at one stage of life and quietly backfire at another. Most people don't lose money to bad tax decisions. They lose it to decisions that made sense once, just not forever. That's why two people can earn the same amount, save the same amount, and still end up in very different places. You don't need to be in every stage. You just need to recognize which one you're in. Early in your career, your biggest tax asset isn't your income. It's your future tax rate. Most people here undervalue tax-free growth and over-optimize short-term deductions. If your income is still climbing, today's tax bracket may be one of the lowest you'll ever see. Paying some tax early, intentionally, can reduce lifetime taxes dramatically. As income grows, complexity shows up. Careers accelerate. Families form. Benefits and accounts multiply. The mistake here usually isn't undersaving. It's letting everything drift into the same tax treatment. Every dollar has a tax personality. Some are taxed now, some are taxed later, and some may never be taxed again. Ignoring that is how future flexibility disappears. At peak earning years, tax decisions start compounding fast. This is where many people do everything right and still create future tax pressure. The question shifts from, how do I reduce taxes this year, to, how will these accounts interact later? Tax planning here is less about saving money and more about preserving options. This stage may be the most powerful tax window of your life. Income often changes, but required distributions haven't started yet. Smoothing taxes is about avoiding unnecessary spikes and spreading income more intentionally across years. Which accounts you draw from and which you let grow can permanently change your tax curve. Later in life, taxes usually aren't about growth anymore. They're about control. The biggest risk is income stacking, multiple reasonable sources colliding in the same year. Tax efficiency now comes from sequencing, not minimizing activity. Save this video, because the smartest tax move is understanding which stage of life you're in and acting accordingly.